Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel where I share technical analysis on stocks and indexes from an educational point of view. Now, in this video, I've covered ACC. ACC is a part of the Lafarge Holcim Group, having manufacturing facilities for cement across the country. It's been in the news recently as Holcim is considering selling its stake in both ACC and Ambuja. The current promoter stake is around 54.53%. The FII holding has come down quarter on quarter from 13.76% to 12.75% December to March quarter. The DI's stake has gone up from 8.85% to 9.23%. So the FII come down, stake down has been taken by the domestic institutions, probably through some block bulk deals which took place out there. Now let's have a look at the charts of ACC and decide what's looking uh, as a outcome from this news which is out and how it's going to impact uh, ACC from an investor point of view. Now in the monthly, it's a strong monthly candle formation after quite a deep correction which started in the month of November and came all the way down from 2000, almost 2600 to 1900, a 700 point dip which took place out here. So future Kumo bullish, the whole equilibrium is bullish from a monthly point of view. So monthly looks very, very strong indeed. Let's have a look at the weekly. Weekly has made a very strong candle uh, out here, a very bullish strong candle out here, and started trading above the cloud from the lower end of the cloud, reaching a cloud. It's now trading above the cloud, a good sign. The only point of a bit out here is that the future cloud is not yet bullish and the stock is not in a weekly equilibrium for a bullish upside yet. It will take some time for that to happen over a period of a week or so, like that, or maybe more, a little bit more as it tries to push its way on the upside. Now let's have a look at what the daily is has done. Now in the daily, it has it is going to activate rather a bullish harmonic seahorse pattern. For that, it needs to start sustaining above 2400. So not to rush into it. Probably that's why the weekly setup is not yet gone bullish. But once it starts sustaining above 2400, we'd like to give it at least 1 hour, if not half the day, above 2400. It will then confirm the bullish harmonic seahorse pattern, which would take it all the way to 2800 to 2875. So that's a neat 400, 475 rupee probability taking place in ACC. Once it gets triggered, the invalidation of the pattern where would be at 2100. So it's not going to be something extremely short term. It would take couple of weeks or months for this target. It's a medium term outlook, not a short term one. And it's a good bullish setup and a very good risk reward ratio setup for you getting 500 against 300. So looks quite good from that angle. Now, if you would like to learn all these and a lot more, my webinars are coming up in the month of May, coming from the basic level of chart understanding, candlesticks, Fibonacci, how to find a trend, uh, harmonic patterns, Ichimoku, trading psychology, risk management, something which is extremely underrated in among traders. Most traders try to look for different kinds of studies to improvise, but fail to work on the discipline and the importance of risk management. So lots to learn this May, and weekend sessions, interactive Q&A, video recordings for participants, and follow through guidance will also continue with the once the session gets over, so that the foundation of the participants becomes stronger. Details in the linked. One could register accordingly for one or all the modules. So before we wind up, a disclaimer, please do not consider this as a trading advice. This is an educational video from technical analysis point of view. Please do your research thoroughly before considering an investment. And I hope you like this video. It's of help to you. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until then, happy investing, everyone. Bye-bye.